Hi, this is Lavin with Xtreme Polishing Systems. We are here at our new facility at 3301, I believe it's Northwest 22nd Terrace in Pompano Beach, Florida. This is our new warehouse facility where we're going to be able to facilitate all of your guys' orders that you place on our epoxies, our polyaspartics, and the one thing we're going to do today is show you how to use our Rockhard Poly, which is a polyaspartic. It's an 85% solids product. Rave reviews on this already. We've blown through, I think, about 5,000 kits so far. I got another 5,000 coming in next week. We're really excited about this product. It's a great addition to our many wonderful products that we have when you go online and take a look and go shopping at Xtreme Polishing Systems. We're going to bring you over. We got Ricardo today, who is our main applicator, and he's going to be showing you exactly how to use the product, and then you'll be able to watch him apply the product on our new little warehouse area right here. It's about 1,700 square feet that we're going to lay down the polyaspartic today. Come on with me.
Hey guys, how y'all doing today? We have A and B right here of Rockhard Poly. One of the best products on the market right now. One of the only self-leveling polys. And it's a 1-to-1 mix. And we're gonna pour it in the bucket, B first, A on top, and then we're gonna mix it for a minute. This is part A. You pour it in here like that. Some people like drill, some people like mix and stick it, all your preference. I'm gonna mix it by hand for 1 minute. Just like so.